Hello all, welcome to Data Cloud Technologies. As part of learning PSQL series, here in this video, I am going to explore you to the basic concepts of using a select statement, and the select statement is applied for different queries. Here, I have listed 6 queries which we are going to apply select statement. So that means using select statement, we are trying to retrieve trying to write the queries, SQL queries from the table HR.employees. So for this purpose, I am making use of TSQLv4 database, and this database is available there in my SQL Server 2019. And in the description, I made available in the form of a link the SQL file which contains the entire description about TSLv4 database. So you can download it and just you run the query in your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio so that the database would be installed after running the query. Okay, so let us move into the content. First, the question is write a query to extract country from the table employees. So select here the name of the column is country. Here I am following a naming standard. I use uppercase letters to represent the SQL keywords and lowercase for table related content. Country is the table name, so I use lowercase letters. So select country from the name of the table. So HR.employees is my table. So let us run the query. So these are the names of the countries from where the employees are belonging to. So this is what the answer that we got for first query. In the second query, write a query to extract unique country names from the table employees. So if you observe, here we are having the country names are duplicated. So we need to get the unique. For that purpose, we need to use a distinct keyword. So select distinct country employees. So let us run the query again. So if you observe, we got only 2 country names. So there are several employees, but the thing is that here they belongs to only 2 country. Here, coming to the third query, write a query to extract employee ID and last name from the table employees. So again, select employee ID, last name from the employee. So this is the query. I'm running the query. So here we had some problem with the employee ID. So here I am. So here the name is the EMP ID and last name. It's the name. So I'm running the query. So EMP ID and last name of the employees are displayed here. So here, coming to the fourth query, write a query to extract employee ID and last name from the employees using order by class. So here we need to use order by class. So order by, we can use EMP ID. So select these 2 fields from employees order by EMP ID. So let us run this query. What happens? So if you observe in the display of the employee ID last name, the row values are ordered by the employee ID in the increasing order. That means the employee ID number 1 would be the first row and employee ID number 2 is the second row. So let us try to understand the difference between the earlier query and this query. So now I am running the earlier query. This is the first row is employee ID with 8. So by using the order by class, we have reshuffled the order of the rows based on the employee ID. So this is how we can shuffle the order using order by class. Next, write a query to extract employee ID and full name from table employees. So we need to extract employee ID and his full name. So for that purpose, in the employees table, we have last name and first name. Okay, so select EMP-ID, first name plus single quotes plus last name from the employees. So this is the query. We have selected the first name and last name. So let us try to run the query. Here we got the names of the employees and ordered by employee ID. But the thing is that here the column name is not mentioned. So that is the problem with when we are combining any two column values and forming a new column. So to avoid that, what we need to do is we need to give name for the newly formed column. So the name for the new column can be given like this, as this is the full name, right? As full name. So now let us try to run the query and see what is going to happen. So if you observe, the column name has been changed to full name. So this is how we can learn the effective usage of select statement on smaller queries using the smallest queries. So, and one point that I would like to tell you that is my videos are fundamentally targeted for a beginner. So suppose if you are a beginner, you want to work with SQL seriously, then my video would be helpful. So if you are having some experience and using SQL, then my videos would be boring. But when I start teaching the advanced concepts, then definitely you will love to watch my videos. Okay, so if you are watching my videos first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel Data Cloud Technologies. So with this, I'm concluding my session. I hope I meet you. I meet. I hope I meet you with another concept on PSQL. Until then, bye.